Hi friends, welcome to ANDS Soft Technologies. This is Vijay. Today I'm just going to explaining about the on-page optimization tactics. And in the previous session we have discussed about the on-page optimization tactics. This is the continuation of on-page optimization tactics. And in the previous session we have discussed about the title tag and how to create a blog and what are the how to create a blog, how to create a pages in the blog, and what are the themes available in the blog, and how to change the theme available in the blog, and how to create a pages in the blog, how to create a pages in the blog. So we have discussed about the title tag and what is the problem of the title tag in the blogger. So I'm just discussing about here. I'm just discussing here in the normal website also that in the normal there is no problem in the normal website. So we are just discussing about the title tag problem here and what is how to solve the problem. So in the previous session, uh, the title tag, see this is the title tag of every browser. Inbound marketing tips for, this is the title tag in the search engine results page, and this is the title tag in the blogger, in the browser. So the problem is here, the home. For example, uh, just click, go to the website and go to any other child website. I have zip code or so. I'm just going Flipkart. I'm going to the Flipkart, just Flipkart, and this is the child page. I'm just clicking on this page. This is the child page of the men's footwear, buy branded men's shoes online. And see, the title tag does not contain the home page, here in the blogger. See, this is the uh, home page. The title of the home page is on page SEO tactics. See, and but in the when which this is the page, this is the web page which I created just now, and in the title tag, the home page is attached. Home page title is attached. On page SEO tactics colon off page SEO tips. So we have to remove the home page portion in the child page title tag. So we have to display only off page SEO tips. So this is only this is so because it is SEO friendly. SEO friendly. For example, if you are working in a blogger and your blogger is you if you want to work in a blogger and you want to get you are working in a blogger and you want to get blogs. You are working in a blogger and you want to get rank your get your blog on the top. So your page must be SEO friendly. Blogger is easy. Your blog must be, your page must be SEO friendly. So the one thing, so the how to rectify this problem, here I'm just explaining about this problem and how to uh, rectify. So go for go for your blog. hmm? This is my blog, and this is my blog. These are the all the things in the blog: post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, and pages, layout, theme, and settings. If I click on the pages, we can add any number of pages. I'm just closing. I'm just we can create any number of pages, and we can click we can delete any number of pages here. So pages, all published pages, and layout. This is the layout. You can, I will explain you in the next sessions about how to change this layout and all the things. And in the theme, so we can change the theme at any theme. You can change the theme as your wish. We can change the theme. There are a lot of options. So stats, comments, posts, there are no posts, create a new post, how to pages and all the things like that. So first of all you have to go for settings. Go for settings. No, sorry, I'm sorry. Go for the theme. And on page automation means we have to work on the HTML page of your website. Your website is your website. For example, if you click on uh, edit HTML, so we have to work on page, we have to work on this is the HTML code. We have to make changes on page optimization. What most of the like on page optimization tactic is very easy, and we have to make changes on a website, on the HTML code of the website. So see, this is actually this is the HTML code. So you guys, this HTML, you guys does not have to panic about this one. This is very easy, and I'm just increasing the size, so this is easy. So the HTML code starts from header tag. This is header tag, and there are a lot of tags in the HTML code, and this is the starting code, this is the starting tag, and the tag ends with the slash, backslash. For example, this is the title tag. Title tag starts with the without slash, backslash, and ends with the backslash. Title tag, any tag ends with the backslash, as like this. So see, this header tag started here, and it ends here. So on page automation we will work on header tag, meta tags, body tags, and most of the time we will work on the HTML code. So our what is our problem? Our problem is on the title tag, right? So whenever this is the home page, and whenever if you view mm, on page of view a web page, home page uh, home page is home page is home page title tag is attaching to the child page, right? Attaching to the child page. So in the title tag, in the this is the title, right? This is the title, right? So we have to, previously I had already changed it. We have to copy and change the code. This is the code. For example, uh, for example, blogger.com, blogger.com, and I'm just going to the, for example, go for another website previously created, digital marketing topics. This is the another website which I created, and see, just click theme, and HTML, edit HTML. See, here the title tag is like this. Title tag is data blog dot page title slash title, right? Here the title tag is like this. So for every theme the title tag is like this. So we are changing the code of the title tag. So this is the code of the title tag. So this is the code of the title tag. So it is easy understandable. So bold, B means bold if condition of data colon blog page type is quotation or index. So display page blog dot page table, otherwise display dot page name. We are displaying the page name. So this is very simple, and we are closing the bold and closing the if condition, if and else condition. So you does not bother about everything about the code, just copy the code, copy and paste the code into this HTML tag, into the HTML code. just I copy and pasted here just now. See, if condition quotation is there, just save the theme. So this code is available on the description of the on the YouTube session, description session. You can copy the code, so there is no problem. We can provide the code, so there is no problem. You have to save the theme, and just go back, save the theme, and see, on page SEO tactics is different, and go to the pages, click on pages and view. See, see, off page SEO tips. See, see the page, see the title tag of the page, off page SEO tips only, right? So there is another page, on page, right? On page tips. For example, if I created a new page here, on page, if such as like I just created Padma, and I just give rating. Padma is my mother's name. Just published and just viewing. See, but so the problem is solved. The problem is solved. So for so this is SEO friendly title tag. So this is SEO friendly title tag. So this is the advantage of this is the blogger. So we have deleted the home page column. So this is the advantage of blogger. So blogger, so this is the advantage. We can change in the blogger, we can change. So blogger is same as advantage of blogger. So my I am telling right now is go for uh, create a blog, create a some of the web pages, select some pages and select the themes, and you have to understood, you have to do it manually. You have to do understood and you have to do manually. What should we have to do, what should we have to do, like that. So if you work hard only, you will get, you will understood. Otherwise it's not good. So you guys understood, right? In the title tag, checklist of the title tag. First we have to title tag for a normal website. For a blogger we have changed. For example, if you have a normal website and you have a normal website, you have a normal website, there is no problem. We does not have to do anything. We can do our own HTML coding of every page. For example, SEO tips, SEO triple S jobs.in, and this is the page. This is the this web page. This is the page, and whenever if you click Control U, you will go to the source code. You will go to the source code of the web page, and I am just clicking title. See, title Hindustan Aeronautical Limited recruitment record. So in the normal website we have to put the same title. We does not have to put any code, because there are no restrictions, because these are the some of the restrictions Google's put. So we will go for own coding, own coding of the own we will go for own websites. There are some restrictions. These are, so we will qualify all the we will overcome all the restrictions of the blog, but there are some restrictions on the blogger, so people will go for websites. So thank you guys, and the next in the next session we are discussing about the continuation of on page optimization, and the next session we are discussing about the meta description and meta keywords, like that. So in this session we have discussed about the title tag and how to optimize the SEO friendly title tag, like that. So thank you guys, you enjoyed a lot. Thank you.